Hi everyone watching my videos, and welcome to another video about bicycle repair and maintenance. So in this video I want to show bicycle pedal with a little lube left, and I just unsealed this dust cap which was covering this. I opened it and I see these nuts and cones inside. But why I decided to do that, to open it and to lube it? So it's because this pedal makes such noises. When I try to spin it, I hope you can hear it. It moves pretty freely, but the noise, I don't like it. It seems like there is absolutely no lube inside. So what I want to do is to unscrew these nuts and lube it, lubricate and oil it, and then adjust it, the bearings, and put it back. Let's see how it goes.